Hi everyone, today my brother's coming over to do my makeup. That's why I'm not wearing any mascara or makeup and I actually look dead. Let's see how he does. So he decided to start off by doing the eyes as I do, and we used this collection primer. As always, for the transition shade we used the So Fx palette. He wanted to do something really bright, so we used the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio palette. He had a rainbow theme in mind, so he started off with a bright yellow in the inner corner. He also wanted to point out that he wasn't using the actual colours of the rainbow, it was just a selection of different bright colours. You can see my niece sneaking in here in the background trying to hide from the camera. He just continued to slowly build the colours up to the outer corner. This is the rainbow effect achieved. He then wanted to use a gold eyeliner to pull all the colours together along the lash line. Notice his unique technique as he scribbled it along the lash line in different directions. Sadly, the gold pencil wasn't showing up as desired, so he went over the top with a gold glittery liquid eyeliner by Collection. He really wanted to tie the look together by framing the eyelid similar to this. Obviously his techniques were much more professional, and if you desire a similar look to this, the trick is to use half the bottle of glitter eyeliner in one go. Because I have hooded eyes, he put the line way above where it would normally go, and as you can see here, you can see the line perfectly well even when my eyes are open. At this point I was totally blown away by his makeup artistry and couldn't believe that he's never once watched a makeup tutorial in his life. Normally I get nervous when other people put mascara on, but he had showed so much professionalism that I was totally relaxed at this point. And I wasn't sitting here fearing for my eyesight whatsoever. Halfway through doing the mascara on the first eye, he decided to change the mascara because he thought that the brush was too thick, and it's always good to just mix products every now and then. I then began to clear away any fallout because I didn't want to put foundation over it and look absolutely ridiculous. We applied more Collection primer and Revolution foundation. See how he's really buffing the foundation into the skin, so that even once you've washed your face, the foundation is really stuck in your pores. For highlighter, he then went in with the whitest one that I own from the Revolution highlighting palette. To be honest, this highlighting palette is absolutely amazing and nobody could go wrong with this. He then applied this holographic W7 lip gloss. He was devastated to find out that this lip gloss wasn't actually silver holographic and it was actually iridescent. Because the lips weren't really standing out, he wanted to line the lips with this purple lip liner. He obviously didn't think that my lips looked big enough, so decided to just slightly overline them with the purple. For anybody out there who's been considering getting lip injections, as you can see here, subtly overlining the lips with a purple lip liner really has the same effect. These pencils can actually be used on the lips or the eyes, and I managed to buy 12 for £3, so that was a total bargain. In order to tie the look together, he used the same blue glittery eyeliner that he used to frame the eyelids. The inspiration for this was the Grand Master from Guardians of the Galaxy 2. Then later, when we checked the picture, he realised that the line actually went down on his chin, but this was just an interpretation after all. With the look complete, I really feel as if I've never looked better in my life. As you can see, the eyeshadow here is completely seamless, and it's hard to believe this wasn't done by a professional. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!